Rakshit and Pratiksha got married yesterday, and today was yet another party day for all of us. We had invited more than 600 people, and it was a wonderful time. We had a gala time with people around. Here, this is the road, which is like a very sexy road, I may say, I may call it. But the other day, there was a very big snake loitering around on this road. And today I'm out at this time. I'm a little scared because the snake can come up from anywhere, you know. So this is how the houses got decorated. Look at the lightings and look at the floral decoration out there. Hi, go. And so I have one more trainee with me. What's your name? Tell me what's your name. Adya is with me, and she's learning, and she's an aspiring YouTuber probably, right? So this is how the house looks today. This is the entrance with lots of trees and saplings, and you can see the flowers that have come up. I think this is aboli, probably, yes. uh, I think they call it chrysanthemum. This is aboli again. Undek English it a chrysanthemum pantine. Abolig. Aboli. Sorry guys, this is not chrysanthemum. This is not aboli. So some other flower that is kepla. Acha. I have to keep checking in my shoes that if there is something inside, because I'm always scared of insects and snakes, and so that's how. So there are shoe flowers, there are beetle leaves, so many different types of plants at the entrance itself. There's a huge land out there which I cannot show you right now because it is too dark. Oh my god, something is biting me. I don't know what is there in that. Okay, so this is exactly after the reception and after the wedding that took place yesterday. All those small events, we generally do it at home only because we don't require a big hall and all, because here the houses are too big, and there are the outside of the house we have huge places out here. Just see, you can enjoy with like 100 200 people out here. It is that big a space, and then now they are nicely chit chatting and waiting for the evening dinner to be served probably. And this again will be dismantled today. We had Rakshit and Pratiksha, who were the main point of attraction today. The well is here. I don't know how much water is there in this well now, because, and I'm scared actually to look down. No, I cannot look down from here. It is too deep. And then this leads to the terrace upstairs. Then this area is for our little cats. You can see the preparation was very well done. I love this place because this has a very pleasant atmosphere, and this is generally where our cats stay. I mean, this is their living space. You can see this is a small storehouse where you can also hang your clothes and all. Again, I mean, wherever you see there are these banana trees, coconut trees, the areca nut trees, and the plants, rubber plants and whatnot. Of course, I cannot show it to you right now. This is from the... No, I'll do one thing. I'll take you to the... I think I'd done this home tour even earlier, but this time it is a little different because it was his wedding time, so we had refurbished this house completely. And It's a time when everyone gathers together, enjoys, enjoy. I don't know. They're having some fruits out here. Which fruit is that?
Amarfal.
Amarfal.
Persimmon.
Persimmon. So Suyash is always, you'll find him in this position only because he's always into that sleeping mode. So
So we are starting.
no, mom said not to talk about it. Okay. So here there is our temple, a small temple that we have here. And from here, I'm taking you out to my Pyara Dodappa is here. He's my Pyara Dodappa. I love him still. And I think that love only brings us to this house more and more because we can never forget him in our lifetime. My papa's elder brother. That's why we call him Dodappa. This is one more bedroom where my Dodda is sleeping. All are just tired, and the house is actually a little messy. This is one more bedroom. And see, if you look at the houses here, they may not have that kind of gala decoration and decorums and all that, but overall the house has a very pleasant look because it is open wide. And here is this lady. This lady is very dangerous.
Why?
Her name is your name please. Sujaya. Very dangerous lady. Aishwarya Rai. She calls herself Aishwarya Rai. Even we love to call her like that. She doesn't look like her is a different thing. She looks better than Aishwarya Rai. But very dangerous because we had a gala time yesterday teasing the bride and the bridegroom, and then that was a time when she took the entire responsibility of teasing them more and more. So she's offering me this Amarfal.
Persimmon.
Persimmon. Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay, yeah. But like, yeah, the sweet
Very tasty persimmon is. This is, I think, one more storeroom. Well, of course, the area that I don't want to penetrate in right now. And this is the door that leads to the from the rare entry, what you can call it as. And that's how this house is so beautiful. This is our beautiful house. So I'll be going to from here to this Akka's house. My bhabhi, I mean very dangerous bhabhi I can call her. No, for me she is very sweet. But yesterday what she did, oh my god, I witnessed the best out of this lady, She was with us, and I'll tell you the story. What she did was, we were asking for 9,000 for all the preparations that we made for Rakshit, the bridegroom and the bride. So his room was decorated. So she also gathered along, and she also was one of the part of this entire drama where we were troubling this guy, saying that we need around 9k or 10k, 10 to 15k if you want to enter the room, and this lady played a very huge role there. There is Sugunakka out there. Sugunakka will never show a face. That's all. Now these guys are having gala. I don't want to show what they're doing there because my mom will again scold me. That's all. Bye bye guys.